Inhalation is one of the easiest ways and the most direct pathway for an essential oil to enter the body. When inhaled, fragrant vapors enter the lungs, which are instantly released into the bloodstream for delivery to every cell in the body. Scientific research shows that essential oils can remain in a person's bloodstream for up to 4 to 6 hours, depending on the oil. Inhalation can be enhanced with the use of a nebulizer or a cool mist diffuser by dispersing oils into the air. Certain essential oils that are properly diffused may kill bacteria and viruses, improve mental clarity, enhance or calm emotions, and increase feelings of well-being. Over time, oils diffused may strengthen the immune system.